Good evening. So am I audible and my screen is visible to everyone? Hello friends. Yeah, so I'm audible and my screen is visible, right? Great. Great for the wonderful reply, and I'm really happy to see huge number of attendees even joining today for a new learning. So I'm really happy to see. Yes, we can hear and see my screen. Okay, that's great. Yeah, so warm welcome to all of you at Phoenix Commodities and Commodity Pathshala. So Commodity Pathshala is a new series which I have just started to discuss about live commodity market, the recent commodity trends worldwide and specific to India. And I can see that huge number of attendees had joined today's webinar. Can I get a quick reply from everyone? How many of you are attending this session for first time? And how many are the members, those who are attending this Commodity Pathshala? Today it's a part 8. Okay, it's a Commodity Pathshala part. Yeah, exactly. We had just completed 8 part of Commodity Pathshala, and today it's a 9th part. And I can see that, yes, in this Commodity Pathshala, we had explored plenty of things. First of all, why one should learn and invest in commodity markets, why one should bother about commodities, the potential and scope of commodities, and as an upcoming segment, and many other things. Yes, I'm already getting reply from majority of the members. There are many members, those who are attending this series for first time. So it's strange. Today it's a 9th webinar. So those who have missed a few webinars, I would request all of you to go through Commodity Pathshala part 1 to part 8. Okay, you all will really enjoy it. And we have discussed the live market, we have analyzed live market, as well as we have discussed a few fundamentals which currency fluctuation, market trends, and many other important things. So please, if time permits, you all can do one thing. I'm just showing you people right now. Yeah, I'll be happy to show you all. Okay, so I can see majority of the members are new. I'm still getting reply from everyone. So first of all, you should log in to our website, Phoenix Commodities, and just log in yourself. Go in the learning tab, and whenever time permits, you can go through the previous webinar. See, there are the few webinars which I have discussed about the potential of commodities as well as the compounding in commodities. There are many webinars which we have discussed why commodity and what are the importance of commodity, or why one should trade in commodity. So already 8 part are done, and today is a 9th session. Please go through the recordings. Definitely it will be helpful to you all. And the new the members, those who are attending this series since long, don't worry, I'll definitely try to give justice to you people as well, and we'll try to discuss a new topic in today's webinar as well. Yeah, as I promised you people in the last session, that though new members are joining, I will definitely try to give justice to the members, those who are attending our series since long. Yeah, so this is the commodity, this is our website. Is it clear to everyone? Please go through the recordings. Whenever time permits, it will definitely give you all a lot of insights about commodities and commodity markets. Yeah, and today's, yes, definitely. And specifically today's market, yeah, definitely we will analyze today's market. But before going ahead to today's market and today's trend, let me give you all a quick introduction about myself. Oh, there was an issue in screen. Now is it clear, sir? I am Hiral Shah, MBA and MCX certified commodity professional, and have trained or groomed more than 1,000 commodity professionals under the brand name Phoenix Commodities. I am really glad to share you all that all of them are having gala time trading commodities. So yes, I can. I am a new first time webinar. Okay, Sagar sir. All of you, please go through the previous recording so that will help you to understand the importance of commodities. Now, before going ahead and before laying down today's agenda point, first of all, let us analyze today's commodity market. Though you people are attending my webinar or commodity Pathshala commodity Pathshala for the first time, but majority of you all would be trading in commodities. Am I right? How many of you are a part of our Phoenix Commodities free channel? Will I get a quick reply from all of you? This is our Phoenix Commodity free channel. How many of you are part of Phoenix Commodity free channel? Yes, majority of you all would be the part of Phoenix Commodity Free Channel. So though you had attended my webinar for first time, you would be looking at the trade levels which are being posted in our free channel, right? The Phoenix Commodity Free Channel, and the way how the members are learning and earning together. That's great. So this here you people can understand the power of commodities and the potential of commodities. First of all, commodity is giving a huge potential to mint intraday as well as positional. It is a platform or it is a segment. This is for the new members, existing members, or the people who are joining or connected with me since the first webinar. They already know that. Commodity is having a huge potential. Here you can start with a less capital, you can build your capital and can use the same capital for your investment as well. So every day, I think since last 2.5 years, a crude view has been posted before market hours. How many of you are looking at these things? Yeah, this is today's market. So today market opened at 9 o'clock. Yeah, commodity market opens at 9 o'clock and it ends at 11:35 p.m. So we are getting almost more than 14 hours of trading, 14 plus trading hours in a single day. And before market opens, we are ready with our important levels. How many of you had taken an advantage of this crude view? Come on. I'm already getting wonderful reply from majority of members. Really glad to see such a into members. So you plus just to reply me. Have anyone took a crude sell call today? According to crude view and the crude opening, this was been posted before 15 minutes before market opened, right? And here you people can see that the crude sell call was posted like a sell near 4617 with the stop loss of 4635. Market open, today's market or the today's crude, when today's market open, what was the crude price? Yeah, let us look into this. Definitely we'll be discussing the live market as well as I want to explain you all plenty of other important things. Yeah, so today market has opened almost near the opening price. Yeah, the you people can just even check the exact price, and here you can see that the crude sell call was given from 18,4617, right? Yes, here is the price. This is a hourly chart. I'll just make it visible to you, all of you. All of you can see the chart. Shall I zoom it? Okay, okay. Don't worry. See, those who are not yet part of our free channel, first of all, be a part of our free channel, which I just showed you people. Yes, there are many members, even they are not part of our free channel. So don't do that. I'm showing you people once again. This is our Phoenix Commodity public channel. Here you can check the subscribers. Don't join any channel which is a fake channel. Be a part of Phoenix Commodity channel today itself, where you will be getting plenty of learnings as well as a good commodity trade levels which you can definitely take an advantage of. Yeah, and now as the crude sell levels which were posted before market hour, it is telling you to sell near 4617 and buy near 4643. So here let us look at the chart. How did it work? This is a hourly chart. I'm just making it minimizing it, and let us see today's price. Yes, just a minute. Yes, so here you people can see today is the 22nd April. Today market open at 4630. We had capped the sell call. It made a high of 4620. We got an exact execution. All of you can see that the execution was exact from the our levels 4617, and you people can even see what the profits we have scored in just a few minutes. So now you all are understanding the power of technical. Say it is not for a 1 or 2 days. These things are happening on daily basis, and on daily basis we are getting amazing profits. How many of you are looking at this things? How many of you had first of all taken an advantage of this? So this was a 4617 where we got a sell and we had scored almost 60 points of profit. It made a low of 4561. According to the targets, we have almost touched third target. So yet the third target has come to, it's a pending, but we have already scored 2 targets of profit and it's almost 60 points of profit. Did it work perfectly? Come on. I want quick reply from everyone. Are you all understanding the power of this levels or the technicals? Is it working nicely? Yes, and it is not for only one day, right? That's true, sir. Thanks a lot for the compliment, sir. Yes, it is working nicely because it is commodity, and commodity we are getting such a huge opportunity to decide our levels before our market opens. This was again the copper levels were given and it has given the first target 1 point of profit and then it has reversed again. If you people will check here, the Gini levels have been shared over here. Yes, Venkat sir, I think everybody, those who are new members, every time they are coming up and they are asking what are the investment required as per lot, and let me know the lot size. So what are the profits which you are going to get? So 100 point of profit in a crude by one lot. If you are trading in a nickel or you are trading in a copper, 1 point of profit will be giving you 2500 rupees of profit, Venkat sir. Nickel, 1 point of profit is giving you 1500 rupees of profit. In the same way, gold is giving 100 rupees of profit per point, and it is giving amazing profits. In the same way, other commodities, say by zinc, gives you 5000 rupees of profit per point. So yes, it varies according to the commodities. Let me come to the margin required for trading in commodities. But before that, I have already opened a window in front of you all. In the same way as the after market open, the Genie has also given the levels that which has already given a 1 point of profit, and your copper cell was given early in the morning in Genie. So copper cell call was given, which we missed by just a few points. Otherwise, it worked perfectly at 6 o'clock. Sarath sir, can you see this? Nickel cell levels were given like 223, and we have scored almost more than 10 points of profit in nickel. So this is the way how we put up advanced trade levels on the basis of the technicals, and believe me, it's working like a magic. So it's nothing like a we are doing any sort of magic, but it is working so nicely. It's all the power of technicals as well as the research and analysis which our team is doing since last two and 2.5 years. What about the copper? Copper had already given from 724, exactly from 724. Here you can see the update, right, sir? Sarath, yes, Sarath Kumar, sir. Can you see? Yes, it has given almost 0.94 point of profit. That is almost first target, and then we told to book completely or trail SL to cost zone. So we almost got 1 point of profit. That is almost near to 2500 rupees. So it's not less, right, Sarath sir? And then it reversed. Yes, copper cell levels were too good, but we missed execution. All the calls have been put up advanced as we are putting up over here, and you can check our levels. So in the same way, these levels are put up quite advanced. So sometimes we may miss little bit. See, by nickel, we got almost 10 points of profit. So this is the power of technicals in commodities. Now, why I'm stressing so much about the technicals and those things, that it works so beautifully and it is giving amazing profits on a daily basis. The reason is that I'm going to give an emphasis today to the topic of technicals. I'm going to discuss a little bit about the technicals of what we are using in our curriculum, as well as will be throwing few lights about the technicals. So today's topic has been scheduled in that way. So here you people can see that one trade, okay, one good trade is enough to be done with your targets, whatever your target would be. But you can easily achieve your targets by just having one or two trades. Yes, you can even trade globally. So there are many members in our group, say by from batch to Master Subhash. He is also the part of Master channel, and he had already scored this profit. He is already carrying the position, and he is always trading in US dollar, and you people can just calculate his profit. Yes, his profits are always in the lakhs. So commodities are traded worldwide. You people can sit in any part of the world and can mint commodities. It is not like that you are just sitting in the India and you are trading commodities. The commodities are being traded in each and every part of the world. And I would like to say that the crude oil is the highly traded script in the world. Yeah, as many members are asking me about the margin requirement for trading commodities and other things, let me come to that point before going ahead and before explaining you people the importance of technicals. Yeah, so the crude oil, as I told you, sir, it is a 1 point of movement is giving you 100 rupees of profit. So 60 points is giving you 6,000 rupees of profit, and that too with a minimum risk of 2,000 rupees, right? Now, if you want to check the margin requirement, as due to this new margin rule, the margin requirement are a little bit at a higher side. So you people can just identify RMS live update, and you will be getting the live update which is required to trade commodities. Here I am going to bracket order and cover order margin. I think who was asking me? Venkat sir. Yeah, Venkat sir, can you see this, sir? Here is a margin requirement for trading commodities. Here, if you have a less margin, even you can start with a silver mini, silver micro, where the margin requirement are quite less. Even in natural gas, the margin requirement is just 16,000, and in the crude oil, it is 53,000. So these are the margin requirement for trading in commodities. So Anuj sir, you can just calculate if you want to trade with all the commodities which have been put up. You definitely need a nearby. Yeah, gold mini has been given, silver mini is given, so you nearly 2 lakhs and you can trade all the commodities all together, Anuj sir, right? And see, if you focus on few commodities, then even less capital is enough. If you are a beginner and if you want to start your journey, you can learn and see, basically the commodity is a platform which is giving you 14 plus trading hours. Second thing, it is traded globally. It is traded worldwide. So the manipulation is almost near to nil. No two proprietors of the company can just rig the price for that personal agendas. It is not possible in commodities. They are traded globally, and our MCX chart are a mirror image of this globally traded script, which has been traded 23 hours a day. So price rigging is not possible in this commodities, and due to this, technicals works like a magic. Again, we are getting 14 plus trading hours, so you can just select your convenient time, whatever, say by morning hours, afternoon hours. There are many students, there are many housewives, there are many engineers, doctors. They take their this flexi, they take an advantage of this flexi timings. They decide their own time. There are many members, those who are even trading after 10 o'clock. Say by yesterday there was a holiday in equity, but US market was open and our commodity market was open after 5 o'clock, right? So you people can take an advantage of this timing, flexi timings in commodity, and you can start with a single commodity. You don't need to focus multiple commodity as well. The biggest advantage of trading in commodities, so first of all, this margin requirement for trading commodity is clear, right, Venkat sir? Yeah, now let me show you people this MCX website. Here you people can see that we are going to focus only on the commodities which are traded globally. We are not focusing on the products which are traded domestically, because we firmly believe that when these commodities are traded globally, the technicals works perfectly over here. Just a minute. Yes. Yeah, technicals works amazingly, because that would be manipulation would be almost near to nil. You people can understand this. These metals are having actual industrial usage. They have been used in some industries. They have been used everywhere. So it is not possible to manipulate these prices. Again, crude oil and natural gas, this energy is been used in some or other form. Crude oil has been used in everyone's house, right? So again, it is not possible to manipulate these prices. So here, you people can just, yeah, I'm coming to everyone's question. Just hold on. Here, crude oil and natural gas is being used in the same way gold and silver. We already know, as an Indian, we are just fond of investing in this bullions. So they are having that actual usage. It's difficult to manipulate, and because of this, technicals works nicely. And here we don't have thousands of script to focus. We are just having 2 bullions, 4 to 5 base metals, and 2 energies. So we are just having 8 to 9 script to focus. So here just we need to focus on few script. We need to understand their behavior. We need to understand their way of working. Just pick the right vein at the right time, and you can mint commodities quite easily. So these are a few advantages of commodities. There are many other advantages of trading commodities. I will be coming up with each and every one, and this was for the new members, those who have joined session for the first time. Okay, so you're very less product to focus. Yeah, we do have a yes sir, definitely we do have a bullion index. We also have a metal index. It is, but the volumes are yet to pick up. So if you are learned today, then there are a lot of growth opportunities yet pending in commodities. Volumes are picking up for this indexes, say by like a Nifty, Bank Nifty, this metal index, bullion index, volumes are picking up. You people can just check over here. Again, options, yes, definitely options are also there, but here the volumes are very low in the options. Soon the options are going to pick up. So if you are uh, at, exactly, you people are at the right place to learn this commodities, because lots and lots of opportunities are yet pending in this segment, and you people can grab such upcoming opportunities only if you are prepared. So definitely you are at the right side. Now I'm getting plenty of questions, so yeah, I'll definitely be answering your questions, but before that, yes, let me show you people the yesterday's market as well. See, by today market was, market is on, and it will be till night. And yesterday you people can see over here that market opened at 5 o'clock, when there was a holiday, when yeah, equity market was closed, but still we got an opportunity to make some money in commodities market. And it was very simple to mint in commodities if you are aware about the proper set of technicals. If you know the labels properly, then you just need to trade with the labels with a minimum risk. Yes, Swami sir, definitely I'll be showing you. Yes, yeah, I think all of you know that how wonderful profits we, yes, what a wonderful profits we had scored in yesterday's evening session. It was more than 5 to 6 trades, and all were super jackpot for in yesterday's, just in the evening session as well. Now, yes, I'm not going and not clarifying the each and every trades which we had executed yesterday. You people can just browse through our Phoenix Commodity free channel. Before that, let me show you people the technicals and why these technicals are working amazingly, and let me answer the few questions which I have got right now. So first of all, see, this is the crude oil WTI chart. Now definitely I will not able to explain you any sort of a short trick which will be giving you profit once and which won't be give you twice or thrice. There is no such a shortcuts to this. You need to understand the concept in depth, Swami sir, to get a grip over it. In the same way, Sachin sir, as you are telling that how let us know where to enter a trade. First of all, as you people are already trading commodities, yeah, few other questions which I have got are main problem is the execution part. That's what Anuj sir is telling, that we are going to get trigger prices suggested over, but it moves sharply. Yes, so how to place all these levels, and you should go through the webinar, sir, Anuj sir, you will get it. You can handle it quite easily. Yeah, that is news. Logic is importance before the application of pattern tricks. Yes, Swami sir. So the main thing is that everyone should understand that there is no shortcut or there is no such a trick to win over this market. So we need to understand the concept in depth. And definitely, I can't explain you the concept in depth in a 1 hour or 2 to 3 hours. And yes, Sagar sir, I joined the group, but I don't want. Okay, I want to vibe. Yes, exactly. Amazing, Sagar sir. This should be the spirit of each and every member. Every member should focus on learnings, because then earnings are automatically going to follow. Just focus on learnings. As I'm sharing you something very important over here. First of all, you people should be knowing that this is the WTA crude oil chart, and the same way as it is a WTA crude oil chart, in the same way, all the commodities are our MCX chart are a mirror image, are the mirror image of our MCX chart. Okay, sorry, MCX chart is a mirror image of this global chart. First of all, is been this global chart is been working for 23 hours a day, whereas our MCX chart works for 14 plus hours. So this chart gives us all the insights or whatever research we need to do. We need to be prepared with our labels beforehand with the help of this chart. And these charts are giving us such an amazing accuracy. And this is one of the another biggest advantage of trading in commodities. The end what has been shown over here, um, Achoo, yeah, that is the news. That is by this investing.com. This is the investing.com platform which I'm showing you people. And if there is any sort of news, then they will be mentioning over here. Is it clear, ma'am? Yeah, ma'am or sir. Right, so this is the news, and this are the global chart which you can trade any part of the world. Now the second important thing while trading in commodities is that USD/INR impact. Okay, so first of all, MCX chart are a mirror image of this global chart. Remember this point. So we are going to follow this chart. Secondly, all the commodities are having their own chart, which is a mirror image of where the MCX chart is a mirror image of this. Second thing is the major impact which these commodities are facing is the USD/INR. If you will draw any chart comparing the MCX chart and the WTI chart, you people will be getting the same sort of pattern. The only difference between both the chart would be that the due to USD/INR fluctuations, as these commodities are bought globally, due to this USD/INR impact, our chart would be making higher high and lower low, whereas yes, otherwise they both follow same pattern. All of you understood this? Just whenever this green line is the USD/INR line, this purple line is the MCX chart, and this black line is a black crude oil WTI chart. That is a global chart. Now our chart and this chart are following same pattern. The only difference is that sometime our chart is making higher high than this black chart. The reason is that the USD INR fluctuation. So if there is a huge fluctuation in the USD INR prices, then definitely our MCX prices will be making higher high or a lower low than WTI chart, but otherwise they follow same pattern. Now I'm getting wonderful questions from members. Samarth sir, as you are telling, see, if you think about two segment or two indexes or two script, they behave differently, right, sir? Whereas this commodity and equity is a complete different segment. Are you understanding, Samarth sir? So definitely its way of working would be different than equity. Yes, but the technicals which we are learning in our session, as you are asking me, sir, or it is going to focus, or the setup which we are teaching it to our members, it's going to be applicable to all the globally traded script as well as the domestically traded script. We focus on the globally traded script. We consider the global volumes. So wherever you will be getting such a sort of volumes, our technical setup works like a magic. I don't need to say all these things because you people are already seeing the results or the power of our technical setup and the daily profits which we are making. So it definitely works amazingly. Samarth sir, I was answering your question. Yes, USD INR price and WTI future are having a little bit of the correlation, but there is no direct correlation between them. Okay, we need to there would be the percentage of change and the little bit of yeah, no direct relation between them, but yes, it impacts a little bit, as I showed you people in the charts right now. Yeah, once again I'll be showing you the our prices would be making little bit higher high or lower low if there would be a sudden spike in the USD and prices. Now once again I'm answering your question, Samarth sir. See, first of all, commodity is a complete different segment to trade. Okay, it has been traded globally, it has been traded worldwide. It is giving amazing accuracy in technicals are working like a magic in commodities. It is having a huge potential to mint profit in just a few hours or few minutes if you have a grip over this important levels. I don't need to see all these things. You people can just browse our Phoenix Commodities channel and you people will understand the importance of commodities. So it is a complete different segment to trade, Samarth sir. If you will be trading two different scripts, then also they would be having a lot of difference between them. But if you are this is not a two different script, but this is a completely different segment to trade. Hope you are understanding now, right? Now, yes, yesterday was in crude inventory. Definitely I will be explaining you the crude inventory if you want to check. Yesterday, due to crude inventory, we had to put up a labels. If you people can see crude inventory, and it's not only for the crude, all the commodities are having an inventory. See, I'm showing you people Genie channel where the proper levels have been put up, advanced levels are put up, so you are getting enough time to take your trade on the basis of this levels. But this is only for the members, those who have learned under us. It would be easy for them. Those who are new members, it would be a little bit difficult for them to work on this level. So it is always advisable to go for the proper set of learnings. Once you are learned, you can definitely take an advantage of these things. Okay, see this crude evening levels, all of you can see this crude evening levels or the inventory levels. Oh, I went a little bit higher upward side. Yeah, I'll be showing you the crude inventory levels. Yesterday was 21. Yeah, we reached to 16th or 17th. Yes, 21. And here you people can see market opened at 5 o'clock and inventory was scheduled at 8 o'clock. Before 5 o'clock we scored 80 points of profit. 80 points of profit in the crude. In zinc we scored 2 points of profit, that is 10,000 rupees of profit. In nickel we scored I think almost 4 to 5 points of profit, that is again you can just multiply 4 into 1500. In crude we, yes, and the zinc 10,000, so almost near to 30 to 40,000 of profit we scored before inventory came. Now when inventory came, when crude inventory came, this crude inventory levels were put it over, and the luck luckily yesterday there was a class for the batch 14 and majority of the members of the batch 14 had maintained this inventory because we took a live call in yesterday's class. Here we had put up at the level sell near 4718. You people can see this level got executed from 4716. We had scored almost 96 points of profit again. Now, what is inventory? Inventory is the stock availability of the crude which comes on every Wednesday evening. The people who know how to trade on this inventory, they can make profits of the complete week. And the live example is just in front of you all. It is very transparent. I'm showing you people that yesterday's level put up by Genie, as well as the members were sitting over there. I'll be showing you how our members have maintained during inventory. And here you people can see just within half an hour, when this inventory levels got executed 2036. Now, where are you, sir? Yeah, I think Ajit, sir, you were asking me, right, how to work on this. So you are getting enough time to work on this. Anuj, sir. Yes, Anuj sir, can you see this? These levels were been put up very early. Now let me show you people in the chart what sort of movement we would be getting during inventory. Yes, definitely we'll be showing you people in the MCX chart. Yesterday's inventory data was negative for the price. If the price, Anuj sir, you can put up your levels beforehand with the risk appetite. You need to see, first of all, Anuj sir, it is always advisable to go for the proper set of learnings. Once you are learned, then definitely you will gain a proper grip over working on these things. But yeah, otherwise, you need to put up your levels before. As you are getting, I'll be going to our chart. As you are getting enough time to work on these levels, just go with this levels as the levels have been put up, and put up your entry exit. Little bit variation is already being given because they all are the advanced call, and see you people can take an advantage of such a wonderful move. We got an amazing move during inventory yesterday as well, right? Yeah, let me show you people. This was the inventory time. Yesterday market opened at 5 o'clock, and here you people can see at 8 o'clock the price had exactly reversed from a 4716 which we posted before 1 hour. So this is the inventory impact. Inventory data was negative for the price, and see here in just 2 hours we have got again a 96 points of profit. That is 9,600 rupees of profit. If you are able to score 4,000 rupees of profit, then also it is more than enough. But are you understanding the power of technicals which is working in this commodities? And such movements we are getting quite often in commodities. 3 to 4 days we are getting such a trending market in commodities that it is quite easy to mint commodities. Say by to make big in commodities means we can build our capital quite easily. This is the crude chart which you people can see. I already showed you people yesterday's inventory impact. Inventory is the data. Let me show you, sir, as you are asking me what is inventory. Let me give me definitely I'll be giving you little bit highlights about the inventory. Let me open the page for you, sir. Say buy this crude inventory which was declared at 8 o'clock. Now, when this inventory data comes, at that time we will be getting a huge spike because it declares what is the quantity available for the crude oil. If the quantity, if the stock of crude oil is less than expected, we were expecting, say by the research analyst had given the expected data, we were expecting minus 2.975, but we got more stock. The stock is more than the expected. So availability of this stock is more than expected. So it is negative for the price. And here you people can see in the chart the impact of the inventory. Did it work perfectly? Come on, tell me. Are you all understanding? Yes, Umesh sir, are you there? Is there any other source of seeing the global charts other than investing.com? Definitely, sir. You can see this global chart in Trading View. You can see it in the Market Pulse app. You can use any app as well, say by 212 Investing app, and can go through this global chart. Are you there, sir? So this was an inventory impact. Samar sir, are you understanding? So it's a complete different segment to trade. Okay, so it is definitely different than equity, and the potential of this commodity is just a huge. Huge. Yes, I'll be showing you people now the set of the technicals before going to this curriculum. And as majority of the members are asking me that what we are learning in the batch 15, I'm coming to that. But before that, let me go ahead directly to the technical setup, and I'm not going why one should learn commodity trading. I think we have already discussed that. See, first of all, the technical analysis or the technical setup is working like a magic, but it is always important to being a techno fundamental. Okay, why one should be techno fundamental? Because say by, let me just give you an example. Due to some news or due to this COVID news or some or other news, we already know that the demand of the crude oil is decreasing. Along with that, the technical setup is also giving you strong signal for a sell. Then definitely you can trade with a double conviction, you can trade with multiple lots, and you can achieve your target in just a few minutes. So it is always being advantageous to have a double dimensions to your analysis. And we teach our members the same thing. Our members are always doing this sort of double confirmation. It will give a strong conviction, and you can trade with the multiple lots. Now, how this technical setup should be designed? So first of all, we technical, I'm not explaining you why this technicals came into place and everything. I think everyone would be getting this history. But the point is that here, whatever indicators, first of all, the first importance is always has to be given to price action. Okay, so whenever you are learning any sort of technicals, you should understand, first of all, you should understand the sentiments of the market, or you should know that the market is made up of buyers and sellers. So the price action, the moment of the buyers and sellers, so candlestick patterns and the other things related to candlestick patterns, see by volumes and the patterns which it is forming, it always has been given an important, uh, it has always given a greatest importance than any sort of indicators. Now, as you people are fond of knowing that what indicators we would be using, now I'm not going to explain you all how to use this indicators, but I want to just classify this indicators in some or other way. So first of all, you should know the price action, you should know the behavior of the buyers and sellers, what they are trying to tell you at important levels. Okay, levels are always very important to trade with. And this thing, once these things are clear, this indicators will be giving you the direction. It is almost like throwing a light on your path. It works like a headlights which is throwing a light on your path. In the same way, these indicators will help you, will throw a light to your path, whether to move, whether to go ahead or whether to stop over here. So all sort of direction will be given by this indicators. Now, there are number of indicators available in the market. I would say thousands of indicators available in the market. It is very important for any trader. Swami sir, are you understanding? Are you there, Swami sir? I actually am answering your question, sir. See, whatever indicators you would be using, there are thousands of indicators available in the market, and whatever indicators you would be using, first of all, you should know the positives and negatives of that indicators. Don't jump and start using that indicator immediately. It won't give you good results, but you should know what are the positives of those indicators, what are the negative of those indicators, where this indicators has to be used and where this indicator has to be kept aside. What should be the place of this indicator in your technical setup? So you should know what are the leading indicators and what are the lagging indicators. You can divide these indicators in two types. One is the leading and one is the lagging. Okay, say by just I am giving a good one simple example to you people. If I am driving a car and before me when a huge trailer is going on and it's just ahead of me, it is having 12 wheels, I just want to overtake that trailer. I'm driving car, I'm little bit behind of that, and ahead of that crossing is coming. All of you listen carefully. Crossing is coming and the sixth wheel of this trailer are just turning right side. Is it giving me any direction? Is it giving me any direction? I want to overtake that trailer. Trailer is a huge, it is having 12 wheels. Six wheels of the trailer are moving left side at the crossing. Is it giving me any direction? Yes, it is giving me any sort of direction. Praveen sir, six wheel of the big trailer are moving left. मुझे ट्रेलर को ओवरटेक करना है और 6 व्हील आगे क्रॉसिंग आ रहा है और 6 व्हील ऑलरेडी लेफ्ट टर्न हो रहे हैं, तो उससे मुझे कुछ सिग्नल मिलेगा? क्या सिग्नल मिलेगा? आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग प्रवीण सर? The signal would be like there is a high chance of that the trailer may take a left turn, right? There is a high chances that the trailer may take a left turn, so I can schedule my speed accordingly because I want to overtake that trailer. Are you all understanding? It is giving me signal before the action has occurred. Trailer is telling me, or the 6 wheels of the trailer are telling me that there are high chances of moving left side. It is giving me signal before the move has taken. So this is called as a leading indicator. It is giving me signal before the price is giving a movement. So this is an advantage of leading indicator. You should know which are the leading indicators and which are the lagging indicators. The leading indicator is a tool designed to anticipate the future direction of the market in order to enable traders to predict market moves ahead of time. Means before the price will be taking an action, we will able to judge the move of a price with the help of this leading indicator. It is giving us a signal before the price would be giving the direction. This is an advantage of leading indicator, that I will be able to take my position quite early. So whenever other members in the market will think about taking their position, at that time, I would be booking my profits. Are you all understanding the importance of leading indicator? Yes. Now, if this trailer, instead of taking left turn, it turned automatically, all of a sudden driver remembers something and he takes a right turn, what would be situation? I would have scheduled my drive according to that left turn of the trailer, but instead of that, trailer is taking the right turn, then there is a high possibility of accident, right? I will have to face accident, correct? So this is a disadvantage of leading indicator. They may sometimes give you false signal. So you should know the pros and cons both of this indicator and should set your setup in that way. Are you all understanding what are leading indicators? Advantages of leading indicator is like a predict market moves before the moves will come. It is best for short-term traders, but they also give a false signal. So you need to be cautious. Second is the lagging indicator. Now, what are the lagging indicators? So lagging indicators are the indicators which will wait for the trend to get developed. Lagging indicator is a tool which provides a delay signal, which will wait for the price to get developed or trend to get developed. Once the price started moving in that direction, once the trend is developed, then only this lagging indicator will give you signal for the buy and the sell. So that is called as a lagging indicator. What are the disadvantages of lagging indicators? Lagging indicators, the advantages are that they wait for the confirmation of the trend. So we will not, we will save ourselves from false signals. So these are the advantages of lagging indicators, but the disadvantage is it reacts little bit slowly. So trader may miss initial movement. We will be missing the initial trend. So these are the pros and cons of leading and lagging indicators. We should understand, and basically we should See, it is not possible to rely on any one indicator. It is always advisable to have a strategy which should be having a balance of both. Yeah, so are you all clear with the leading and the lagging indicators? Is it getting clear to everyone? Yes, why not? I'll be showing you what are the leading indicators. Popular leading indicators are RSI, stochastic oscillator, Williams R, percentage R, on balance volume, whereas the lagging indicators are moving averages, MACD, Bollinger Band, super trend, PSR. So these are the indicators which we need to use in a systematic way in our setup. We should take an advantage of leading indicator as well as we should take positives of lagging indicator, and we should try to make a balance between both. So so lagging indicators will always be giving us an indication of the trend once the trend is developed, whereas the leading indicator would be first one to give you signal. So try to take a positive of both and frame the setup in such a beautiful way that it can give you amazing accuracy. Okay, so this was the little bit knowledge about the leading and lagging indicator. The further things about this technicals and how to integrate these things I'll be taking further in the upcoming session. But yes, other indicators and all that things I'll be taking in upcoming session. Before that, I want to answer a few questions as I've already got plenty of questions in front of me. So yeah, definitely I'm coming up. See, our curriculum is covering the fundamentals plus technicals. In the technicals, we do start from the very basic, say by we focus on the strong price action trading setup, price action, say by trends, trend lines, divergences. Yeah, we start with a very basic like trend lines and candlestick patterns, divergences. We also include gap theory. We also include Fibonacci levels and the important strategies running around Fibonacci levels, as well as oscillators, divergence, and the most robust, yeah, Bollinger Bands, and the most robust technical setup, that is the Ichimoku charting system, which is giving us a strong momentum trading setup. So here, along with this, we also cover. See, this indicators doesn't differ from the commodity or equity or any other segment. Okay, the setup differs a lot. Yes, we don't need, we are using the robust technical setup. First is the based on the price action. Second is the strong momentum trading setup based on Ichimoku trading system, and the strong reversal setup based on the divergence trend lines and chart patterns. So lagging indicator has its own importance in our setup, but not that level. So you can't compare both setup together. They are completely different setup. Here in the commodities, we are learning all sort of technicals from basic to advanced, and these technicals are working amazingly in all the scripts which are traded globally as well as domestically. And in domestic, wherever the scripts you are getting good volume, it will work like a magic. Is it clear, sir? Yes, the setup will be 100% different, sir. And analysis and interpretation of economy and industry data. And the biggest point is that all the classes are in the live market. We study all these indicators in the live market. Okay, as well as the analysis and interpretation of economy and industry data, inventory trading in the live market. In short, it is covering the complete. The curriculum is curriculated in such a beautiful way that it covers technicals plus fundamentals which are required to become a pro in commodity trading. And the technical setup which you are going to learn over here, you can use this technical setup in whatever script you want to trade globally, currencies, forex, as well as the domestically traded script which are having good volume. Is it clear? Yes. So for the further details about the curriculum, Samgitam sir, I was replying to your question, sir. You can just contact our support team and you will be getting the complete further details about the curriculum, as well as if you people are following this our free channel, Phoenix Commodities free channel, you people will be getting an idea about the offers which are going for the batch 15. So definitely you people can understand and see this Genie. What is Genie? Yes, again the same question which I'm coming. I'm definitely I'll be answering to your question. Genie is an in-house technical team which gives the advanced trade levels based on the same technical setup which we are teaching to our members. It is basically to help our members to learn and earn together. And the masters channel are the masters, those who have proved themselves, those who had already outperformed their skills from batch 1 to batch 14. They are being onboarded in the masters channel. How these members are doing? They are doing wonderful job. Say by if you will be part of batch 15, you will be added in the group, and see this batch 14 group, it is just concluded and these people are doing amazing job. They learn, earn together, they put up their trading setup, they put up their entry points, exit points, what profit they took, everything they share and learn together. So this is the power of learning. And you will be part of the batch 15 till date, batch 1 to batch 14. All the group are live and active, and they are having gala time trading commodities. Okay, and again you will be getting this recordings for a complete 1 year. The offer is that you people will be getting the recordings from today itself for a batch 14. You people can start learning as early. You will start your learning. You people can ask your questions in the live market again when the complete or the batch 15 session will start. So this is the biggest advantage. Yes, you are right, sir. Batch 15 is growing day by day. Majority of the members are had already started the learning by the recordings. They are already doing wonderful job. The curriculum and this, yes, I'm getting the one plenty of questions regarding the fees of the course, regarding the offers related to batch 15. So Geetam sir and all other members, what is the total hours of batch 14? I think it is almost more than 1 month, and all the classes are in the live market, sir. It is like each class is like 7:30 to 9:30 or 9:45, and I think I had concluded it was the sessions were almost more than months, sir. So all the classes are from Monday to Friday. So you people can go through this complete class and can go through, yes, here this what I'm showing you people is the Genie research ideas. You can just go through the testimonials link and can check the result of the Genie which we have been maintaining since the last 2 years. So these things are very important. You should have a conviction on you, whatever you are doing. For the further information about the course fees and the offers which we are giving right now, just contact our support team. They will guide you and they will help you for the complete offer, sir. Geetam sir, so please contact them and you will get it. You will get all the information. Is it clear? Yes, Anuj sir, as you already know the accuracy of Genie, right? It's always better to go for the curriculum than running behind any research calls or the labels. Just invest in your learnings. Learnings are priceless and you will definitely take it back. The potential of commodities is just unlimited. Means you can't even decide what is the potential of commodities. Even you will not realize when your the secondary source of income will outgrow and will be more or will surpass your measured income or the primary income, because it is having all sort of potential. Just your dedication is required. That's it. Yes. Anyways, that was a good. Dharmik sir, what sort of offer? You do one thing, Dharmik sir, you can just put up, this is Phoenix Commodity channel. You put up the same thing in the Phoenix Commodity team in the Telegram channel. Definitely they will be sharing you the complete offer and everything, sir. Or you can share your contact number, they will contact you, sir. Yes, Phoenix Commodity team, definitely they'll come to you, sir. And mobile platform for commodity trading. Sir, as I told you, all these platforms are working very nicely. See by Venkat sir, you can use a Market Pulse app for a trading or okay, you want a trading web based and a mobile platform. So mobile platform, you can use a Market Pulse app, you can use 212 app, you can use Zerodha, you can use Allies Blue. All are working nicely. In the same way, Allies Blue is working perfectly fine. Even the Zerodha, investing.com, this all our platform are working for the global chart as well as domestic chart in Allies Blue. Is there any? Yes, definitely, Anuj sir. It has been provided. Yeah, thanks a lot for engaging yourself since the past 1 year. Definitely, you people would have got a little bit insight about commodities and the technicals which we discussed today. Always keep a note that whatever you are going to study, just have a pros and cons of that indicator with you. Then only just start trading on the basis of that. Means, yeah, so that your accuracy will be more. Definitely, we'll be coming next week with a new topic. And yeah, we'll try to finish this technical topic and we'll be coming with a new topic next week. Be, first of all, be a part of this Phoenix Commodity channel. Stay tuned with us. Plenty of learnings are coming ahead. Looking forward for the same. Thanks a lot. Definitely, Anuj sir, looking forward to you in the batch 15, sir. Yeah, thank you.